Replacing inner tie rod 2004 Grand Caravan. This one's a little bit tricky and hard to remove. You don't have any special tools you need to use. Only this pipe ring. That one only. Because not like the other tie rod 2007 or 2008 above. They have a special tool for that. But this one's nothing. Only this pipe rings. Actually now I start to lose a little bit. Okay, 1 minute. Oh yeah, that one's loose already, and I will try to. Okay, yeah. This one is broken already. This tie rod is loose. See, it's moving. Yeah, and also the rubber bush is broken also. Yeah, I can twist it now. Okay, nice. Good. 2004, I think 2004 to 2007 is the same. Yeah. I'm not a mechanic, but I love to do like this. To do some mechanic work. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. Also, the sway bar link is you need to change also. Sway bar link is moving too. Yeah, it's also broken. I need to replace that one. They have only 2 bolts here, and the other one using the 18mm. 18mm. The tie rod is also 18, but the lock bolt here, where's that? The lock bolt is 19 mm. This one. Okay. This one is for 2004. It's totally broken. Yeah. Okay, I will upload another video after I put the new parts. Thank you.